Already you have learnt what is the 0 of the polynomial. The 0 of the polynomial is nothing but the value of x for which the polynomial becomes 0. Now, in this video, let us see how can we find zeros of the quadratic polynomial and how many zeros we are able to find for the quadratic polynomial. Now, you know the general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Now, consider these 3 examples. Now, first example x square minus x minus 2. Now, let us find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. So, the method to find out the zeros, let me equate this to 0 and I need factors for minus 2 whose sum should give the coefficient of x which is minus 1. So, I can go 2 ones are and negative sign for 2. So, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So, I can write this one as x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, x of x minus 2 plus 1 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, this one will give me x minus 2 of x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So, we are having 2 zeros here. One 0 is x is equals to 2 and another 0 x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 2 is having 2 zeros, x is equal to 2 and x is equals to minus 1. Now, let us consider this example x square minus 6x plus 9. Now, the zeros for this polynomial x square minus 6x plus 9 is, this is nothing but the perfect square and which is in the form of x square minus 2 times of 3x plus 3 whole square, that is a square minus 2ab 3x plus b square. So, this is nothing but x minus 3 whole square, that is x is equal to 3. So, there is only one 0 for this quadratic polynomial x square minus 6x plus 9. Now, consider the third example x square plus x plus 8. Now, for this quadratic polynomial, the factors for 8 ones are, 2 fours are and none of this factor will give the sum as plus 1. Therefore, there is no zeros for this quadratic polynomial. There is no value of x for which the polynomial will become 0. So, this polynomial will never become 0. Therefore, there is no 0 for this. So, for the first example, we got 2 zeros and for the second example, we got 1 0 and for the third example, there is no 0 for the given quadratic polynomial. Therefore, the number of zeros for the quadratic polynomial is 2 or 1 or 0. So, therefore, we can have maximum of 2 zeros for the quadratic polynomial.